Ever wondered how that everyday toothpaste is made? Ever wondered what's really in that little tube of toothpaste? It might surprise you to learn that a single tube can contain up to 30 different chemicals, each playing a vital role in keeping your smile bright. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating chemistry behind your everyday minty paste. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind every squeeze. Toothpaste is made up of a variety of ingredients, all working together to clean and protect your teeth. About half of a tube is made of alumina trihydrate, which acts as a gentle abrasive to scrub away plaque. Around 27% is sorbitol, which keeps the paste moist, along with 17% water to give it the right consistency. There are also gum-based binders like xanthan gum, which help the paste stay smooth and easy to apply. Small amounts of saccharin are included for sweetness, while monosodium phosphate and sodium monofluorophosphate help protect your teeth from cavities. Other ingredients like titanium dioxide make it look bright and white, and detergents like sodium lauryl sulfate help it foam up while cleaning. Finally, a small dose of flavor is added to leave your mouth feeling fresh. Each ingredient is carefully balanced to create the perfect toothpaste. In this process, a 3-kilogram batch is produced using a specialized low-shear, vacuum-assisted mixer. It all begins with 508.20 grams of water, which forms the base of our hydration medium. This water is carefully added into the mixer under vacuum conditions to ensure purity and prevent air bubbles. Next, the dry ingredients take center stage. Here, guar gum, an essential plant binder, is dry mixed with 1,000 grams of alumina trihydrate, a key abrasive that helps clean your teeth. This blend is introduced into the mixer and mixed for about 10 minutes, creating a smooth cream. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect consistency. In a separate vessel, a liquid mixture is prepared. This includes 510 grams of sorbitol syrup, a 70% solution that keeps the paste moist, 6 grams of saccharin for a touch of sweetness, 9 grams of monosodium phosphate, 24.6 grams of sodium monofluorophosphate to help protect your teeth, 1.2 grams of formalin. This blend is gently heated to dissolve the solids, then slowly drawn into the main mixer over 10 minutes. Now, we prepare a second dry mix. In this step, 500 grams of alumina trihydrate is combined with 30 grams of titanium dioxide, adding brightness, and 5.25 grams of xanthan gum. This mix is slowly introduced into the main mixer and blended for around 15 minutes, further refining the texture. The process continues with detergents. A mixture is made by dissolving 45 grams of sodium lauryl sulfate and 15 grams of sodium dodecylbenzene sulfonate in 300 grams of the remaining sorbitol syrup. This detergent solution is drawn into the mixer and mixed for another 15 minutes, ensuring that the paste cleans effectively. Finally, 30 grams of flavor is added and mixed for 10 minutes to complete the process. Once everything is perfectly blended, the toothpaste is ready to be packed into tubes. After the perfect blend of ingredients is achieved, the toothpaste undergoes a strict quality check. Experts examine its smooth texture and consistency to ensure there are no lumps or imperfections. Once it meets these high standards, state-of-the-art machinery fills and seals the toothpaste into tubes. Surprisingly, this advanced production line is capable of filling and sealing over 2,000 tubes per minute, while integrating highly sophisticated sensors that detect minute variations, down to a fraction of a milliliter in texture and volume. Such technological ingenuity not only streamlines production, but has even set new benchmarks in quality control within the cosmetic manufacturing industry. This precise packaging not only keeps the toothpaste fresh and hygienic, but also guarantees that every tube delivers reliable performance every time you brush. And that's our quirky journey through the world of toothpaste. Who would have thought a simple tube holds a tiny lab of science? Thanks for watching. Stay fresh, keep smiling, and brush in your own unique way.